The Western Digital Green SN3000 1TB solid-state drive offers impressive PCIe Gen4 speeds, reaching up to 5,000 megabytes per second, greatly enhancing your computer's performance. With its sleek EMBA2 2280 form factor, this drive is perfect for thin laptops and small personal computers, ensuring compatibility and ease of installation. The substantial storage capacity of up to 2 terabytes allows you to keep all your essential files, photos, and videos conveniently accessible. Western Digital's nCache 4.0 technology and NVMe interface provide outstanding responsiveness, making multitasking and file transfers smoother and more efficient. The included Acronis True Image software simplifies the process of migrating your data to the new drive, ensuring a hassle-free upgrade experience. Crafted by the reputable Western Digital Technologies, the SN3000 model stands out as a reliable choice for those seeking a balance of speed and storage capacity.